I bet you didn't know how powerful you really are. Why are there not more people talking about the journey to self-belief? Because the only person who needs to believe in you is you. Fitness isn't just about muscles or pounds, it's about resilience, discipline, and self-belief. The journey is tough, but that's what makes it worth it. Every challenge you face, every moment you push through the pain, you're forging a stronger, more resilient you. Remember, no one else can do this for you. The strength you seek is already within you, waiting to be unleashed. So, show up every day. Put in the work, sweat, struggle, and grow. Every drop of sweat is a testament to your commitment, every step a marker of your journey. You have the power to transform yourself, to become someone you never thought you could be. It's all within you, you just have to believe it. So, lace up those shoes, hit the gym, and watch yourself transform. You've got this. Now go out there and be the best version of yourself.